Celebrity Fashion Spotlight, we have your girl Doja Cat, who also attended the Albie Awards wearing this Versace gown. And sidebar, I just want to say I really like her hair this short. I like the little TWA curly hair, and I don't mind the darker roots with the blonde tips. She looks good. And this dress, I love the sparkling detail. This is still very much her personality, still sexy and fierce with a little bit of an edge, but just a little bit more classier. I love the top of this dress. I love that it's strapless. And then her necklace, y'all, I like her necklace. Love her makeup. I don't mind the eyebrows. She looks so beautiful. I see you, boo. What do you guys think? Is it a look or not?